I heard my baby crying for help. Stop it. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Good morning. How are you? And they're still fucking stupid!
You're not supposed to get in the bag. Yes, I know. Rosie, why? Why are you up there?
How in the world did you even get up there?
Have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. Hello.
Sit. Go.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.